Mwah. Hi everyone, I'm Maddie Edwards and I've just received a big Mecca bag. So I thought we could unbox / unbag it together, and then I will do a skincare routine with the new products and a little makeup application as well. Look at this, it's so heavy. Alright, so I'll go through the skincare first. Some of this I've used before, some of it I haven't. We have a Cosmetica headband. Then we've got Mecca-ssentials reusable face cleansing pads. We have Eve Lom foaming cream cleanser. Glow Recipe watermelon glow hyaluronic clay. Okay, we've got 3 different serums here. We've got 2 vitamin C serums. This is VERSO Super C. Then we've got the famous Drunk Elephant C-Firma. And then Dr. Barbara Sturm, the Better Be Niacinamide Serum. Eye cream. This is Ren Keep Young and Beautiful Firm and Lift Eye Cream. Oh, this gua sha. This is the gua sha that won Best Beauty Tool in the most recent Mecca Beauty election. And then we've got the Mecca to Save Face sunscreen. This is the oxybenzone free formula. The Cultured Biome Care Biome Calm Cream. Now we're up to makeup. Photo Finish Primerizer. Everyone's used this primer. Have you? I don't know. I have. Foundation. I actually haven't tried this one. This is the Ilia True Skin Serum Foundation. And then for concealer, this is the Rose Ink one. Bronzer, this is Morphe's bronzer. I would say this is the thing I'm most excited about that I've seen so far. It's the By Terry Brightening CC Liquid Blush, and look at that. For eyebrows, we've got Kai Brow. So we've got a pencil and a gel. For eyeshadow, we've got the Too Faced Major Love palette, and I am so happy to have got this because I was gonna buy it. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with all the colors. Mascara, we've got RMS Beauty Straight Up Volumizing Mascara. And then for lips, we have 2 of the Hourglass Phantom Volumizing Glossy Balm. 2 shades, one is in Haze and one is in Lucid. So that's the stuff. Let's wash this skin, baby. Okay. What is that? Is it like eucalyptus? It smells really fresh. Yeah, you don't even have to cleanse in the mornings if you don't feel like you need it. I cleanse twice at night just to make sure I get all of the sunscreen and makeup off. This is so silky. All right, I'm gonna wash that off. I'm gonna do what they do when you get a facial and wipe the cleanser off with this. That's a very beautiful, gentle cleanser. I can't imagine many people not liking that. We're gonna go in with our vitamin C. They've got instructions in here so you don't do it wrong. Okay, so it's super easy. You take the pump off this vial and then unscrew this lid. I'm gonna pour this in. I'm gonna screw this back on and then shake until the powder has dissolved. All right, this baby looks like it's done, and then you just, when you're applying vitamin C, you want your face to be dry. And I just press it in like that. Dr. Barbara Sturm, the Better Be Niacinamide Serum. Well, I've never used this product, but I have used Barbara Sturm before. My favorite product was that vitamin C like powder cleanser. I loved that. It's like a white. This has a beautiful silky consistency. Eye cream. I knew that was gonna happen. So just a little pea size, and I like to dot, 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 and just use my ring finger to lightly massage it in. Sometimes I like to tap and take it all around, not just underneath. And I kind of like to take it to my temples as well, just because like sometimes you get those lines right out to your temple. Now this is the Cosmetics 27 Gua Sha, just to get that lymphatic fluid moving. Moisturizer, the Biome Calm Cream. Don't forget your neck. I'm trying to get into the habit of like doing upward strokes and pressing into my skin sunscreen. So this is the Mecca Cosmetica To Save Face SPF 50 Super Screen. Broad spectrum, so UVB and UVA protection. Face done. Let's go and put some makeup on. Take this off. Starting off with the primer. Smashbox do great primers. Okay, now we have the Ilia True Skin Serum Foundation. This is in the shade Corsica. Looks pretty perfect. Going in with my Mecca Max Complexion buffing brush. And I like a really, really light coverage foundation. I'm in awe. I absolutely love that. It's really, really hydrating as well, and it's super thin, like it feels like a serum. Love. This is the Rose Ink Concealer in LX020. Just like put a tiny bit under my eyes, tiny bit on top of my eyes. I really like natural finish, so I'll just press it in with my fingers. Oh, that color is perfection. Really risen to the top of my fave concealers list. I feel like you can really still see the skincare glow underneath here, whereas sometimes, like if you don't prep your skin properly, the makeup will go on a little bit flaky or can look dull rather than bright. Stunning. The Morphe Bronze Show in Touch of Sun. I'm just using this hourglass brush that I already had. Oh, this is beautiful. I think there are a few shades of this bronzer as well, which we'd love to see. Maybe a little bit on my shoulders, maybe on my collarbones too. Now I have the beautiful By Terry Brightening CC Blush. This is in Rosy Flash. Should I try a TikTok trend I've seen? You've probably seen it as well. Have you seen people put blush like here? They go like this for the first time. You go like that. Good placement, like maybe that's why, like it allows you to kind of feel. I just go in with it normally as well, just on my fingers. I love applying blush with my fingers. I just feel like it gives the blush a whole new dimension, you know, like your fingers and the warmth of them really just presses the product into your skin so beautifully and seamlessly. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. This is my favorite Mecca product. I didn't get sent this, I bought this. So I'm gonna show you. It's the Westman Atelier Super Loaded Tinted Highlight, and this is in the shade Peau de Rose. Looks like that. I use it as more of a blush topper, and I just love it. It gives the best glow. Brows, okay. Kai Brow 05 Deep Brown. Let's brush them up first. I did just tint my brows a couple of weeks ago, so I don't want to go too crazy. My brows are my favorite thing on my face. It's just something I like to say out loud, and it's something that I like to acknowledge while I'm doing my makeup, because it's really easy to pick on the things that you don't like about your face. So I like to just, if I see something I like on my face, I like to say it out loud. Even if I'm by myself, it's a good practice. Some clear brow gel. Wow, I like that. Now we've got the Major Love eyeshadow palette by Too Faced. I'm gonna go into Camo Queen, and I'm just gonna pack that kind of like on the whole outer half. I always like to take my eyeshadow out pretty far, like wing it out. I just feel like that gives a really like sexy lifted look. Then I'm gonna use Pull Rank just kind of on the outer lash line, just to deepen that up a little bit. I'm using Morphe brushes, by the way. And then just use my finger to blend that out a little bit. Maybe a tiny bit underneath. Then with Squad Goals, I'm just going to lightly tap that all over my lid. It's just made it a little bit like cooler, and obviously it's got shimmer through it. And then Shore Leave right there. Mascara time! For mascara, we've got the RMS Straight Up Mascara. Wow. So that mascara has just taken my lashes to the next level. Now going in with the Hourglass Lip in Lucid. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. That is stunning. So this is the finished look. Alright beauties, it's been so much fun to hang out. I hope you like the look. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can shop this entire look in store or online. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye. Mwah.